Hi everyone, my name is Leilani Lopez. This is Unit 5, Chapter 8, Reflection, Color Theory. Okay, my first is primary colors. The yellow, red, and blue. These are my samples, the YouTube, the Snapchat, and Samsung background color. They use primary colors. The second one is tertiary colors. Tertiary colors, which are formed by mixing the primary with secondary colors, and the color combination with red, violet, blue, violet, yellow, green, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, orange. And these are my sample, the company slogan here, the NBC, and the dress of this image. The next one is triads. A triadic color scheme is any color palette made of three colors that are equally apart on the color wheel. For example, the red are equally apart on the color wheel. Some examples: the Filipino flag, Burger King, and the Toy Story. These are the typically one color will act as the dominant color while the other two works as accent. And these are the triads scheme colors. The next one is analogous color. The art of choosing analogous color. The three colors next to each other on the color wheel composed of one dominant color, usually a primary or secondary color. These are an example: the MasterCard, the logos, BP logos, 7th generation logos. The next one is color temperature, the warm and cold color. Colors on the red side are warm, and the green sides of the wheel has the cooler color. These are my samples. This is the cold, the cooler, and warm. Warm and cooler, the warm and cooler. It's all the samples. So the next one is saturated colors. Color saturation refers to the intensity of color in an image. As the saturation increases, the color appear to be more pure. As the saturation decreases, the colors appear to be more washed, pale. Like this sample. The next one is the saturated dark colors. It makes colors more muted or more black added. The next one is the saturated light color. It makes the colors more muted or white added. As you can see the difference between the dark and added white. It's more lighter. The next one is RGB. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. It applies to computers, televisions, and electronics. The RGB models is an additive model, meaning that colors are created through light waves that are added together in particular combinations in order to produce colors. And these are my samples for RGB, the opposites of MYCK. MYCK stands for cyan, magenta, and yellow. It applies to painting and printing. The MCYK model is a subtractive model, meaning that colors are created through absorbing wavelength of visible light. The wavelength of light that don't get absorbed are reflected, and the reflected light ends up being the color we see. The next one is the spot color. Refers to a method of specifying and printing colors in which each color is printed with its own ink. When needed to match particular color the background, the white and black background is the spot color. The blue and the white and blue, and the gold and black on a printed piece, the use of a spot color is utilized. The last one is hexadecimal code. Is a way to represent color in RGB format by combining three values: the amounts of red and green and blue in a particular shade of colors. This color hex code has been integral part of HTML for web design and remain key for way of representing colors formed digitally. As you can see my samples here, the combination of blue, green, the yellow and orange, and the red and yellow. And these are the code also. And that's it. Thank you for watching my presentation. Please comment below to the discussion board. Thank you.